All right, I'm Josh Sharp. I'm the program engineer for off-road racing and Ford Performance Motorsports.
Yeah, my name is Alex Gerke. I'm a motorsports engineer with Ford Performance.
And we're out here testing the Bronco R for a 1,500-mile durability test in Parker, Arizona. It's a scorcher. It's 110 degrees today, so it's the perfect test for Baja. It's going to be hot. It's going to be rough, so this is the best we can do in the U.S. It's awesome. It's been a huge learning curve, and all of us, on the Ford Performance Motorsports side are engineers, and everyone on the team is extremely talented as an engineer. And I think working with Geyser and the Desert Assassins team kind of brings that that racing experience and that realistic aspect to the engineering side of what we do. So takes what we know and our technical knowledge and applies it out in the desert. Because some of the things that look good on paper or make sense in a simulation don't make sense in the desert or just proven to not work. So we learned a ton along the way. I think a lot of things in terms of cooling. We've moved the radiator around, played with different light configurations on the front, and things like that are things that can translate into the production Bronco in a catalog format. So we don't want a whole lot of lights up front in front of the grille, block the radiator too much. So how far can you go without blocking the radiator too much in the front?
So all of the stuff that we're learning, especially down in Baja, is things that's going to directly go into improving the overall experience for the customer. So one of the biggest things is we want to be as most production relevant as possible. And so from the start, our focus was, okay, we can make it from F-150 bits, but that's not really what the Bronco is going to be. You can go put a big motor in it like you have in a trophy truck, but that's not what's going to be in Bronco. That's not what it's there for. So right now we're running the 2.7 EcoBoost in this Bronco, and it's got a 10R80 10-speed automatic transmission that won't be in the production Bronco. So powertrain-wise, all of that is the same as what you'll have in a customer truck.
The 2.7 in the Bronco R right now is straight out of Lima, Ohio. So they shipped it to us on an engine rack like they would ship it to the production plant. Same with the 10R80 transmission, and it's a beast. It's held up. We've made a lot of adjustments that have been transferred back to the production team, which is awesome. We actually have a calibrator working with us that's calibrating the production Broncos that people are going to buy on the showroom floor, and he's actually learned a lot by coming out with us and just seeing how we break things and abuse it out here. I mean, there's no customer is going to put a truck through what Baja puts it through.
So we may have a different rear axle on this truck, but the torque truncation and saving the engine parameters from wheel hop that you'd get in an off-road situation, that software is built into the production trucks. And so we're finding different use cases that are driving a better improvement of that calibration that we can put in the customer's truck so they have less issues when they get down the road to actually drive this thing off-road. And so we're working with the production part in this truck, and we're putting it to its limits. We're really learning a lot about what's capable with this and what things we can use to help drive more off-road EPAS development with the supplier for our production trucks as well.
Yeah, I think if you're testing with no failures, then you're not testing hard enough. You're not testing enough.